Today we'll teach you how to trade mitigation block. We will study a live setup on a pound Aussie pair where I see a mitigation block creation. You will learn how to identify a valid mitigation block and how to execute the trade properly. In this example, we will trade a mitigation block on a 4-hour time frame, but you can use the same rules and the same plan for trading any time frame in Forex. The first thing that we will need to do, we will need to execute market trend analysis and structure mapping. That will help us to understand the current sentiment on the market and identify order blocks and mitigation blocks. Here's how my complete market structure mapping and trend analysis looks. We can see that pound Aussie pair is globally bearish. The market is trading in a clear long-term bearish trend. And in this downtrend, we can see that after the market set the last lower close, the market started a correctional movement. The market started to correct within a minor bullish trend. So we have a correction, a minor bullish trend within a global bearish trend. And our best strategy to follow here will be to look for trend following selling, to look for a completion of a correctional movement and a start of a new bearish wave. In order to identify a completion of a correctional movement, we will need to find a bullish order block zone in our correctional movement. And according to the rules, our bullish order block zone will be based on the level of the last higher low. A liquidity zone based on that structure will compose a bullish order block zone. According to the rules, the market will remain in a minor bullish trend till the price respects this bullish order block zone. And if we analyze how the price acts during the London session today, we can see that we got another test of this bullish order block zone. We got a retracement from that, and now we see its breakout attempt, and we can see that just in 10 minutes this 4-hour candle is going to close. A confirmed breakout and the 4-hour candle close below this yellow zone will be a very important event. It will signify a completion of this correctional movement. It will signify a violation of this minor bullish trend, and it will signify a highly probable bearish continuation and highly probable strong bearish movement, at least to the levels of a current lower low. A confirmed bearish violation of this order block zone may compose a mitigation block, and in order to confirm that, we will need to check a preceding price action before the breakout of the order block zone. We can see that before a breakout, the price set a lower high right here. It is a very important element of a formation of a mitigation block. The fact that before the breakout of the order block zone, a lower high was set is the indication that after a breakout, this order block zone will turn into a mitigation block. With the close of this 4-hour candle below our bullish order block zone, a creation of a mitigation block is confirmed. A mitigation block zone will be a very safe zone for us to sell the pair now, expecting a bearish continuation and a resumption of a long-term bearish trend. After creation of a mitigation block, we will expect that it will be retested before the market will start falling. So this mitigation block will be the zone where we will place our sell limit order. To find the safest level to open the trade from, simply find the lowest candle close within the order block zone. In our case, here is this price level. We will set our sell limit order on this price level. Our stop loss for the trade will be strictly above the last lower high. It will be our safe stop loss level. And for the target, we will aim at least at the structure based on the current low. In our case, here is that structure, and the level of the close of that candle will be the target for our trade. So we will sell from here, from the mitigation block. Our stop loss will be above the lower high before a creation of a mitigation block, and we will set our take profit based on the structure, based on the current lower low. Also remember that because the global trend on the pair is bearish, there will be a high probability that after a test of a current low, the market will break that and drop lower. For that reason, after the market reaches your target level, you can close half of profits, move your stop loss to entry, and expect a bearish continuation lower. In our example, our next goal will be 1.87 level. It is the next psychological level, and it can be the next goal for the sellers after a violation of a current low. That's how we trade mitigation block. Make sure that you trade with the trend and you patiently wait for a formation of a valid mitigation block before you execute any trade. Let me know traders in the comment section. If you have any questions, don't miss my next free trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now. The link in the description below. Also traders, please watch my other videos.